Okay, are you ready? We are trying Cheerios. He definitely wants it. Put it in your mouth. Here. Right, chew. Use your toofies. Yummy, yummy, yummy. What do you think, baby? Is it going to fall out? You're so cute. You're so funny. Is it good? Is it good? Is that a good sign? Is that a happy face? Yeah, we like the Cheerios. More?